about name. Your name is made of letters. My name is actually Elizabeth. It starts with letter E.
Not L.
And Elizabeth, you can call me Liz. And Liz starts with letter L. So what about you, Peppa?
Me, I start with P.
Yes, your name starts with letter P. So kids, write the first letter of your
Do you
name.
know why it's
Why?
P?
Why?
For jumping in muddy puddle.
She really loves jumping on the muddy puddle. So write alphabet letter P. And what about Froggy? F.
P.
And what about Joan?
Me, I start with F. Do you know why?
Why?
Because jumping on the
They love jumping on the muddy puddle. So write the letter F. Okay, can you show? F. Okay, F. What about Joanne? Letter. Okay.
Huh? Why is that coming out?
What about your name, Joanne? Start with letter J. T? No, J. I think that's even wrong way. J. Okay, kids. So when I say the letter, please lip up the alphabet letter. So kids, when I say the letter, please lip up. Please show me your alphabet letter, starting letter. Okay, let's see. So we have P here, and we have F and J. And one more for Liz.
Jump. Jump.
Jump.
Jump.
Yes. Okay.
Because
Letter
A, P.
L. Okay, let's start. Froggy. F. Yes, F. Froggy, it's your name. F. Yes, F. Froggy, F. Peppa. P.
Is your name P?
P. And Joanne. J.
Wait.
Yes.
Oh, it's my name.
Yes. And Liz. L. L. Do any of your friends' names start with the same letter as your name? In our Bible story today, we learn about Jacob. Jacob's name was changed to Israel. When we follow Jesus, he calls us his children. How do you think Jacob felt when his name was changed to Israel? Happy or sad? Happy.
Happy.
Happy.